What's up guys, my name is South Gaming and today we're going to be playing Mario Kart 64 on my Sony Xperia Z3. One player.
Mario Grand Prix. Select your player.
Let's be, I don't know, let's be Yoshi. Okay.
Select map.
Luigi's Raceway. Let's do it. Okay, let's start up. Let's get on. Okay, I'm out of the way. Come on, let's do it. Oh yeah, let's beat this race. Come on, get out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get beat up, get shot. Exactly what they say right there. Okay. Oh. As you can see, I'm kind of ahead. Peach is second. Wario's now second. Peach second, third. I don't know. It's kind of confusing. No, I don't need to do those things. Oh no, Peach. Peach is coming to me. I gotta escape. Okay, now Wario's coming to me. Hello. Bye bye. After this, I will be playing Super Smash. I'm making a video about that too. But this time I'm gonna be playing as Mario. Come on. Come on. Outside. Oh god. God, that was so close. Wait, this is a commentary. Why aren't I talking? So, hopefully, I don't know which one's gonna get out first, upload first, but what I'm uploading right now is Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Part 2. I don't know which one's gonna upload first. This would be a shorter video. Oh yeah, this one first. Okay, this is a shorter video, so I think no, yeah, I think this is short video, so this will upload first. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing right now. I'm gonna be playing Super Smash right after this video. So okay, well, that's a good score right there. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and peace out, guys. See ya.